So what's up, my lovelies, and welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, I welcome you with lots of love. And in today's video, we are going to be playing with Selena Gomez makeup brand Rare Beauty, and this is the look I came up with. Super flawless. So you guys are gonna see how it went down. Okay, I do love Selena Gomez. Shout out to you, girl. She is my favorite, especially in Wizard of Waverly Places. Like, if you watch that, you guys know she bad, but I love her. So yeah, so you guys, if you guys like what you see, then keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so as you guys can see, my face is, you know, naked as a beat. Don't mind this. I'm gonna blend that whole shit in after my makeup is done. You guys will see the whole, you know, the whole thing come together. In today's video, I picked up some new goodies because we'll be so excited what I got in here. You guys already seen by the channel, so the tea has been spilled. Yeah, so we are going to be trying Rare Beauty products, and now I don't remember what I grabbed, so we're just gonna go with the flow right now. I picked up the Always and Optimist 4-in-1 mist. I also picked up the Liquid Touch foundation. I picked up the concealer. I picked up a lip balm. And then I also picked up a primer. So we're going to be trying all these in this video right about now. Always an Optimist Illuminating Primer. A weightless universal gel primer enriched with ultra fine pearls for a lit from within glow. Ooh, okay, lit. She had the lit in there. It feels so nice and soft, like, ooh, I love the texture of the bottle. I won't even lie. And this is the illuminating primer, so we're just going to just, okay, it has like a pinkish, nudish texture to it. I hope you guys can, yeah, you guys can kind of see that. So let's see how it's like. I don't know how to explain the smell either. But let me just prime my face and hold my face front. Oh yeah, you can see that it's giving me that luminous feel to it. It's like really nice. The application is really nice. Hold on, I'm gonna lie to you guys. So the application is actually really nice. It also feels like it's a little bit tacky, which is nice. That means it's really gonna like hold down your foundation. It's so pretty. So far, I like how the primer makes my face feel. Makes it feel a bit moisturized and nice. So I think I'm just gonna go in with the foundation first. Okay, so this is the Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation in 520W. The bottle is so freaking cute. Like, it has this type of application where like it's like a dip in foundation. Ooh, I'm gonna have to shake this really well. Hold on, guys, because it's looking a bit watery. Okay, you have to shake it. You can hear that. You have to shake it. So let's just keep shaking it up. This foundation, what do you guys think? Does it match me? Maybe just a little bit dark, but we're definitely gonna make it work because you know how concealer gets, you know how bacon gets. The application to this foundation is lit. I won't even lie, I love the way how lightweight it feels on my face, but I feel like I added a lot to the face, as you guys can see, but it's just lit. Like, you literally feel like you have nothing on your face. I believe this is supposed to be more like skin-like feel. When I say skin-like feel, I mean like, you know, like your face naked, like, you know what I mean, without no makeup. But she did the goddamn thing with this foundation. But yeah, you guys, this just looks so good. I really love this foundation. I can't stop raving about it. I'm gonna try the Liquid Touch Brightening Concealer in 56W. So remember to shake. Always shake your stuff. Ooh, you guys, I think it's like sinking into my skin a bit. So that's dope. It's whatever. It looks a bit orange toned, which is weird. Yeah, it does look a little orange. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see how it will blend out, because I'm looking like a pumpkin. Yeah, let's see how it's gonna blend out, because girl, I like it. So it's like, if you just want to go outside and just look so natural and feel natural, this is the way to go. The concealer coverage, it's very lightweight, as you guys can see, but it's blended all together, which is like really beautiful. I'm going to be going in with my NYX eyebrow pencil in Espresso. Then also I'm going to be going in with my Morphe chocolate mousse. And then I'm going to go in with MAC Studio Finish Concealer in MW45. And that's what I'm going to be using for my eyebrows. And my under eye is already creasing. So that's how you know I'm going to have to mix in my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. And honey, I'm just gonna apply a bit of it, because you guys, I'm really scared right now. So let me just apply a bit of this. I don't think I'll put anything on the chin. I just wanted my under eye, my nose to stand up more. And you guys already know my Sephora eyeshadow in Satin Corset. I love this for a brow highlight. I feel like this look is good. It's just a real simple look. I'm just gonna be adding some bronzer onto my eyelids, do my wing. You guys already know my eyelashes. Baking my face with the Sacha Buttercup. I mean, setting my face with the Sephora powder. You guys already know the regular LA girl. You know what I'm saying? So let me just quickly do all of this. So just do a really quick video and then get back to using what we have left from the Rare Beauty. Cool? Cool? Okay, let's continue this look.
too much, yeah.
I feel like if I really wanted to go outside of this, I would. Like, I just love flexi rods. Like, it just gives you this old school fashion, you know, vibe, you know. Like, hey there, honey, how you doing? Like, you know, I just love it. Like, oh, hey child, I just love the vibe it gives me. So now I'm gonna be going in with the Rare Beauty Always an Optimist 4-in-1 mist, and this one says a glow boosted mist, hydrates, primes, sets, and refreshes the skin. So let's see how this is gonna look. Wait. Okay, as long as it's not luminous, because I really like how my face is looking like this. But okay, this whole thing just came out. I just love the simplicity of this brand. So let's see how this baby's gonna work. I'm just gonna like move a little bit far from it so it don't get too close. So let me just always do this first. Ooh, the spray out. Ooh, it smells very rosy. The spray out though, it's beautiful. Okay, I'm done. Because you guys see me, I'm having fun with this spray. Ooh, yeah, baby, I am loving it. Oh my god, I am loving it. Oh my god, am I whispering? Why am I whispering? Like, I'm whispering because I can't breathe about how beautiful the finishing of this spray is. Selena, what made you come up with this brand, honey? Because I'm trying to wonder what really made you come out with this brand. And do you guys see how fast it's drying? I didn't even fan my face yet. Wow. No cap. No cap. This is a vibe. I still want to spray my face again. Like, literally. Like, spray me, baby. Because this is... You guys, this might be my new favorite. This might be my new favorite. I went with my mom, right, to go get this. I was like, no, I have to get Selena Gomez because I actually love Selena Gomez when I was little, but now she has her own makeup launch. Like, that was like crazy. So I'm like, I have to get my hands on this. It's, you know, when you just feel so good about a purchase, this is exactly how I feel, you guys. Let's continue on, okay? So I'm just gonna quickly line my lips with my Wet n Wild lip liner. Okay, I'm done lining the lips. So now I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauties With Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm and Appreciate. Okay, that's how the packaging looks. So let me just quickly open the top for you guys. Ooh, you pretty. You guys can't really see it because it is like a flesh tone color, like a nice light pink. Oh my gosh, but look at that. That's so pretty. It has the gold cylinder. And this is how it's looking. I'm going to do a swatch for you guys, actually. It's a lip balm, but I don't know if it's going to show as a lip balm. That's how it looks. See how, like, natural it looks on me? Which I'm actually really loving. So let's just apply this on top. because you guys already know I just love a natural look. Okay. I like it. I like it. It feels like it's really moisturizing my lips. I really like this. And you guys know I really mess with my browns. Like, browns for me are my nudes, and this is so pretty. And this is exactly what I was going for the day, which is crazy to me. Selena Gomez, you guys, I said you guys, but Selena Gomez, you did so good on this Rare Beauty. I see what you were doing here, and I really, really like everything, you guys. Like, look at my lips, look at my face, like, look at the finishing of it, okay? So I don't know if I should go with some highlight, but I did want, you know, a little beam today. So I am gonna go in my gold deposit in I'm gonna go in with my MAC Gold Deposit. Let me just add a pinch of some highlight. But my face is looking beautiful. Like, so beautiful. Because hair's already shining, I'm just gonna keep continue just to add highlight over there. Okay, so basically we are done with this look. Looking like a snatched face, and everything is just looking so flawless. So let me just go undo this hair, wear my outfit for tonight, and I'll be right back. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is the completed look using majority of Rare Beauty products by Selena Gomez. My face is a B. Okay, hold on, let me back up a little bit. But my face is B and snatched. I hope you guys really like what you see. Like, this is gorgeous. I feel so like good, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like I literally have nothing on my face. The overall aspect of it is beautiful. I love it. I look gorgeous. I will definitely recommend this to everyone and anyone. It's just a beautiful glow. It just get you. Do you guys see me right now? Like, do you guys see the shimmy it's giving me? The shimmy do? Okay, you guys cannot go wrong with this. It's giving me the ultimate phenomenal vibe, face, everything, picture ready, video ready, everything. Like, I am ready. Like, I am ready, okay? And you guys already know I talk a lot, but with this one right here, I'm so happy with this purchase. Like, I'm happy with everything. I think I'm still gonna keep the concealer because the concealer is lightweight, but it's holding down with the added concealer that I added. And I hope you guys like what you see. And yeah, so you guys, this is another video for you guys, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, love you all. Mwah.